Two-dimensional scale. Open the Pages tab of your query and click on the label Create Page. Now you can see the query page menu in front of you. By moving the cursor over the page, you can see the nature and use of each query type on the right. Click on the option Scale 2D. Write the title of your query in the title field. Write your question in the thesis field, and if necessary, write the explanation or the background information in the undermost field. The explanation text can be edited, and you can also add pictures and media clips such as video embeddings in the text. Below the text fields, you will see the default settings of your query. You can edit the settings by clicking on the Show Options bar. Write the criterion variables you want your panelists to use on the labels X field and Y field. Probability and desirability are the most common variables used in a 2D scale. In the Type menu, you can choose how to visually present the scale. The options are a radio button list, a slider, and a graph. If you select radio or a slider, the variables will be assessed in their own scale. If you select graph, the variables will be placed in the same chart, while X is the title for the X-axis and Y for the Y-axis. Under X options and Y options, you can decide the extent of your X and Y scales. You can either delete an option by clicking on the cross next to a row, or add more options by clicking on the label Add Option. From the bottom of the page, you can define whether the query is visible and commentable, and whether the discussion will be visible for other panelists. Remember to save your query.